Hey, welcome to the channel. This is my entry to the Jeff's Big Rig Build-Off. I already did a video on this truck, and but I was actually building this for the build-off. I gotta agree with you, Jeff. These Kenworth AMT trucks, I mean, they were not easy to build. I think the worst ones they had were the Peterbilts, both cab over and conventional, as far as fit issues, frame alignments, and things of that nature. But I gotta agree with you, brother. I did a lot of work on this thing. Steerable axles, different wheels on there, put some little bit of bling on there, which the glare is screwing up my video. But this is my entry. I like your truck though, because it's a working truck. You made it built like a working truck. This one here, I got a cattle trailer on it, but this is it. Hope you all enjoy it. Again, sorry.